He's got... Hey! Bye! Bulgaria, the 9th country on this trip. Yesterday I turned north again. I have started my journey home and the melancholy grows with every mile. I don't want to go home. Not yet. But I have no choice. I have to get to the ferry in Gdansk in a week. I try not to think about it. Right, I just passed a police control too fast, but on the other side. Apparently they've got a lot of police controls in this country as well. It has been everywhere, all over the Balkans, every country. It's nothing like at home. You know, I rarely see police controls at home. We have these speed cameras, but that's it. It's very rarely they are out and having actual physical controls. But it doesn't seem to be the case here in the Balkans. They have got lots of police force. The only thing is, it's so difficult to see the speed limits. The signs for the speed limits, they're absolutely absent. It is 50 kilometers an hour within any kind of settling areas. But it's very, very difficult to see where it all starts and where it ends, because it can be long stretches like this that are still within the city limits, and it's 50 kilometers an hour. And here, exactly on these kind of locations, is where the police patrols are. They could stand over there, for example, instead of that car. So it's quite scary. Again, it's a big difference from the country where I came from. He's got... Hey! Stupid crossing. I was... For some reason I am in Sofia, and I guess it's a TomTom moment once again. I've been through, not in the city center of Sofia, thank God, but the outskirts, because of the TomTom special interest for trickling you into difficult situations. So it took forever. Now as soon as you're closing in on capital areas, you should try to find a way around it. Because even in the outskirts it's nearly impossible. It takes forever. It's not a very pleasant ride today. Highways, city traffic, stupid intersections with trams. I wish I could go that way, but no. And I wish I knew what this was. I see a lot of abandoned buildings and factories and gas stations everywhere. I've been meaning to film it, but it goes so fast on these roads, so I don't have the chance to stop. So I actually learned that one we were looking at, that rusty gateway, it's actually Happy Eggs Farm. So let's do this last stretch. What a massive difference in temperature. It's 16 degrees Celsius right now, from 34 the other day to 16. It's freezing. I am so cold because I only have this mesh gear. I don't even have an undergarment, so I'm freezing, and it's windy all the time, so but yeah, 35 kilometers to go. It's not too far. There's lots of people having small stands with their own produce. I've seen it before as well in other places. They put like a table out. I don't know what it is, if it's honey or syrup or something. There's a lot. In some places there have been fruits, so I guess there are different things if they are growing something in their gardens or keeping bees or something. Oh, I just had to stop. It's 14 degrees and it's just too cold. It's 22 kilometers, 1/2 hour to go, but oh man, I'm freezing. There's so much traffic. Look at this. It's crazy here. Oh, what a difference. That's so much better. I'm getting pretty tired now. Okay, and here are some more. A little bit of raspberries, I think. Also raspberries. It's 7.6 kilometers to go. Just around 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna pass this little village. And then I'm supposed to be there at this small little hotel and restaurant by the river. I have a good feeling of it. I think it's gonna be good. At least I hope so. Going into Berkovitsa. Lots of police out today. Something was happening in that village. Some sort of manifestation or demonstration, I don't know. Just 1.4 kilometers to go, and I'm finally in some interesting roads inside of Bulgaria for real. Alright, so I've been riding around here for a while, and it's quite okay little town, I think. But I need to I have no idea. So strange. I should go in here. Right. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think I found it. I recognize it.
You have reservation?
Yeah.
This is your room.
So I'm finally in my room. I got this little simple but perfectly fine, and Ragnar is right outside of the hotel entrance. It's perfect. Anyway, today, what can I say? As it stands at the moment, I am a little bit from Romania, and then it's Hungary and Slovakia before I'm in Poland. Anyway, I will round up this episode for today. Please subscribe down below, leave a comment, and join me in the next episode. On to the next. So it was a great night, great meal, at a great place. I'm satisfied and I'm going to bed. Good night. There is Ragnar.